A logo is often the first visual element that people associate with a business. It's a small graphic or symbol, but its importance in the world of branding and marketing cannot be overstated. A well-designed logo is more than just an image. It's a powerful tool that can significantly impact your business's success. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of a logo for your business. First impression, your logo is often the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. It's the visual representation of your brand, and it plays a crucial role in forming the initial impression people have of your company. A professional and memorable logo can instantly convey trustworthiness, professionalism, and the values of your business. Brand recognition. A strong logo creates brand recognition. Think about iconic logos like the Nike or the Apple. They are instantly recognizable, and that recognition drives brand loyalty and customer trust. Over time, a well-designed logo becomes synonymous with the quality and reliability of your products or services. Differentiation. In a competitive market, standing out is vital. A unique and carefully crafted logo sets your business apart from the competition. It helps potential customers remember your brand over others in your industry. Effective logos capture the essence of your business and what makes it unique. Consistency. Consistency in branding is key to building a strong identity. Your logo should be used consistently across all your marketing materials, from business cards and websites to social media profiles and packaging. This consistent use of your logo reinforces your brand identity and helps customers remember and trust your business. Emotional connection. Great logos have the power to evoke emotions and tell a story. The colors, shapes, and symbols in your logo can convey a message or elicit specific feelings. For example, a heart in a healthcare logo can symbolize care and compassion, creating an emotional connection with customers. Scalability. Your logo should be versatile and scalable. It needs to look good whether it's on a small business card or a large billboard. A well-designed logo maintains its integrity and impact at any size, ensuring that your brand is consistently represented across all platforms. A logo is not just a piece of graphic design, it's the face of your business. It's the visual element that people associate with your brand, and that can make or break a customer's first impression. The importance of a logo for your business cannot be overstated. A well-crafted logo creates brand recognition, communicates professionalism, and forms an emotional connection with your audience. It's an investment that pays off by helping your business stand out, build trust, and thrive in a competitive market.